Nan, babo kabalen, kung sakay po. My name is Louie. Welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank ShawarmaCo by Gel Clean. If you notice guys, meron po tayong mga shawarma dito. Alongside with their shawarma, meron po tayong mga pizza na pinadala nila. So this is by PizzaCo by NJCO. If you want pizza and shawarma at the same time, you can order from them. And let me introduce to you their products one by one. Starting off of course from their pizza. So meron po tayong mga buy one take one. Take note, mga shawarma po nila are buy one take one. There you go. Look at that. Later on, titikman natin to. Meron din tayong mga Shawarma Salad. Again, these are buy one, take one. Perfect na perfect para sa isang merienda. Alright, so for their pizza, meron po tayo ditong Hawaiian Cheesy. And then next, we have the Combo Pizza. Next is the PepperoniCo. And then lastly, yung kanilang Beefy Cheesy. Wow, so let's get into the meat of the details. Let's taste this. Starting off with their shawarma. I want to taste this shawarma. Again, can you imagine guys, it's buy one take one. So, ayan. So we have our sauces dito. Meron tayong mayo garlic. Ooh, that's enough. And then to spice it all up, I think that's enough. Patiman naman natin. Wow! Grabe naman. Parang mauubos ko itong isang shawarma na to. You know what? I like the sauce. The sauce is parang it amplifies the flavor kung anong mga ingredients natin dito. Let's have another, bite. Again, in it, you have your vegetables. Vegetables are really fresh, guys. I have to tell you. And then yung ground beef natin, grabe. It is so flavorful. Wow! Grabe. Unang tikim pa lang natin guys, ang masasabi ko na so delicious. It's so wow. Next, I wanna taste yung kanilang shawarma salad. So, based on my observation, so you have your pita bread, you have vegetables. It also has, grated cheese on top. So, I wanna mix in our salad here. So, yun natin itong special garlic mayo sauce nila. And then, put in 1 cup of spicy sauce. There you go. Ooh. Let's mix it all up. So sa mga vegetables nila, I can see, tomatoes, bell pepper, I can see some cabbage, lettuce, siyempre yung ground meat natin dyan, and then yung pita bread. Let's taste it. Oh wow. So, based on my taste test, roughly pareho yung ingredients and taste nila. The difference is, you gotta taste this shawarma the regular way. And then this one is like a salad. You mix it all up. It's a little less messy compared to this one. But nonetheless, I think the flavor and the taste are basically the same. Okay, I wanna taste now yung kanilang mga pizza. I think this is their Hawaiian. See, let's taste it. Pizza is so flavorful, no? Sarap po ng pizza sauce nila. It is overloaded with ingredients. Like this one, it has, so many cheese on top of it. As soon as you receive it while it's hot, you gotta consume it, guys. Para lalo mas masarap yung mga pizza natin. Ito naman yung kanilang beefy cheesy. Oh. May kakaibang lasa yung beef nila. It's not just the ordinary ground beef, It also has some onions on top, which makes it more flavorful. I gotta move on. So this one is their pepperoni. Wow! How can I explain it? It just keeps on, leveling up. Tumataas yung level ng, taste quality. This one's really good, no? Comparing it to the other two na natikman natin. Tagay, masarap talaga yung pepperoni. So lastly to taste, ito ang kanilang combo pizza. You can actually see some of the ingredients dun sa mga natikman na natin. So I guess this is their parang perhaps the ultimate pizza that they have. So you have your ham, you have your cheesy, what do you call this? Cheesy beefy. So you have your pepperoni. What else is not here? Parang nandito na lahat. Wow. I gotta give you guys a 2 thumbs up. Sobrang sarap po ng mga pizza. But if you were to ask me kung ano yung unang orderan ninyo, I'd say you gotta go for the pepperoni. So medyo na-impress ako dito sa pepperoni nila. It's really, really good. Again, as for me, I'm still gonna enjoy this shawarma right here because this is just amazing. So fantastic, guys. Make sure to, order more sauce if they can give you, or, buy from them. Speaking of buy from them, they are also open for resellers. So if you want to check their fan page, you want to check them out, or, do a transaction with them. If you want to start your own business selling pizza and shawarma. So thank you so much, ShawarmaCo and PizzaCo. Dahil ako, mag-enjoy ako dito. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and tag mo na yung friend mo, bestie mo na, gusto mong i-share yung mga pagkain na to. So thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Peace out!